Okay, stop. Hey, what's up? It's me, Hot Pop YouTube. Aloha YouTube. It's your girl Nyasha. Aloha YouTube. It's your girl Nyasha. Easy now, no need to go down. Rock that, run that, this how we frown. YouTube, it's your girl Nyasha back at it with another video, and today it's burning hot, so we're making smoothies. So here's the life hacks on how to make a healthy smoothie that tastes good. Of course, you want to have your ice. Then we've got our frozen strawberries, we got mangoes, and we got carrots because we don't have spinach, but you know what, it's okay. So you always want to have at least one vegetable, and it won't taste that bad because, you know, it's just one. And yeah, that's my life. Yes, glass. Make sure you have your your blender. We got to be, you know, artsy with that glass cup. Make it tumbler, cute, relatable.
Got your straws from
You got your straws. These ones,
any ones, colorful
the
ones.
colorful ones will do. Red and blue, because you know 4th of July is tomorrow. We're gonna be cute. We got all our stuff, and here's our blender. And yeah, make sure you get your scissors if you're gonna be using like bag stuff.
Ready?
Yes.
So first we'll just put in some ice.
All right.
Mind you,
Just however much you think.
about 2-3 cups.
2-3 cups of ice.
No, for 2-3 people you want to just measure for like 2-3 people.
So, just for 2 or 3 people, this is how we're measuring. So, it depends on how you're serving it.
We're gonna take everything.
The green stuff?
Yep.
Wow.
Everything. Just throw it in there.
I guess we're just going ham today.
Good?
Good.
We'll throw in a handful of carrots. Carrots are good for your eyes.
Mm-hmm.
How's that?
Perfect.
Did you show your facial expression? And mango chunks. You can find in any market basket. Ooh, look at that. Market basket frozen food section.
Excellent. And just dropped like 70%.
To the touch.
What liquids?
We're gonna put a little bit of cranberry juice. Just a dab.
Look at those little guys. They're sweating bullets. Cran pineapple sounds even better than cran grape.
We'll put about a cup worth. How's that?
Beautiful.
There you go.
So now we're just gonna blend it for about 40 minutes.
No. All right, you ready?
Yes. Whoa. Okay, me pressing all the buttons. Well.
I was gonna be like,
Don't get the car.
give me a spoon. There we go.
Just give it a little stir.
Try this again.
Well, that sounds cute.
Sounds like the blender's giving way.
Me. Oh, great idea.
You scared me. I'm trying to put you in the blending time.
And then the spoon bit.
Okay, stop.
Finally, all done at last. It's gonna be soup thick, but it's cute.
It's a smoothie.
A nice.
How about we have a little burn resistant?
Look at it. That's cute. Just sitting on the top.
Have it in the cup. Should have just stirred it myself. So a big glob of something. There we go. How's that?
Perfect.
There we go. How's it look?
It looks beautiful.
Good.
Looks perfect. Oh, look at that nice garnish.
There you go.
All right, time for the taste test. What I never do in any way.
Bottoms up.
Ooh, check it. Tastes beautiful.
Tastes pretty good.
Mostly strawberries. You can see the little touch of mango. Can't even taste the carrots.
Brain freeze. No, I tell you, it's good.
Take a look at that. Nice healthy smoothie to cool you off on a hot day. Alright, we're doing smoothie number 2 now because we decided to make multiple because it was that good. So, smoothie number 2, I'll show you the ingredients. Bananas, blueberries, raspberries, V8 juice, and carrots, of course. And of course, ice too. Alright.
This time. Is it okay if I talk?
Yeah, go ahead. I feel mad weird when I'm just like there talking and them.
So we'll put about half a tray. We'll start with a half a tray of ice. Alright?
Alright.
Take your banana, cut it into chunks, throw it in there.
How do you open a banana, on the top or the bottom?
The top.
I do the bottom most of the times, but today I just did the top.
There you go. So we got one banana.
Oh, one in my nail feels mad scary.
We're gonna put about a handful of blueberries.
Alright.
The secret ingredient.
Shh, don't tell the kids.
Carrots. 1.5 scoops for those who are visually impaired. Nyasha,
Me?
grab a couple of those.
Alright. Blackberries. Never had them before.
8 of them, because they're nice and big. Show them how big they are. Nice and plump and juicy. Very nice. About a cup V8 splash. I don't mean just splash it in. I mean V8 splash. How's that?
Looks cute.
Looks cute?
Cute.
Alright. Show them that's what it looks like.
Yes, we're ready to blend it, and hopefully it'll be easier this time because it's less stuff.
Alright.
Here we go. To life on the sides, trying not to
I'm going to
get.
put a little bit more ice in there. It's not slushy enough.
Yeah.
Drips in the bottom.
Rigged. Well, hello there.
bananas in it.
Ooh, this is actually, yes, I like the mixture of the blueberries and the bananas. It tastes good. And it's a cute color. 10 out of 10. This one's so cute. Oh, so cute. Look at those nice summery colors.
It tastes really good too.
A couple ice cubes. Alright, now here's the third and final smoothie. So you have multiple options if these aren't your fruit preferences. So here's our third one. Mangoes and strawberries, bananas and carrots, of course. And we're keeping this V8 juice. Yeah, a whole tray of ice because it seems that it's more slushy when you do a whole tray. So, yeah. Alright, we're going. See, the less, it's like more ice to juice ratio. So you want
the juice will only make it liquid faster.
Yeah, so you want more ice. On the road again.
This one looks. Oh, is it too thick now this time?
Yeah, it looks pretty thick. A little splash of V8.
Just a little splash?
Just a little splash.
Good?
Mm-hmm.
Right, we won't blend it out. We'll just manually stir it in there.
Just incorporate all the ingredients.
Let's try this.
Well, number 3.
It's good. Healthy, natural.
This is probably my favorite out of the 3.
Nice. No sugars, no preservatives, no pesticides, no nothing.
Not
all
sponsored.
Natural.
There's a nut inside. Oh, great.
Why?
I don't know how I feel about cherries.
They're good. I like grapes. It's bigger versions of grapes.
But I don't like grapes either.
Oh, so I think we made 3 shakes and we're literally full.
Yeah, so they fill you up, which is good. It could be like an alternative, like
for a
the
meal.
shakes. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's how my was going.
A substitute.
Yeah, like a
Instead
meal
of having
substitute.
a burger and fries, have a nice shake. Or 2 at that, and you'll get full fast, you know?
And
it's
there
all
you
healthy.
go. It's that simple. Just
Very nice.
there you go.
There you go.
There you go. We'll see you next time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below other suggestions that we should do. And let me know if you tried this. And yeah, I'll see you whenever I post my next video. Good one.
Will that dot be in my face the whole time or no?
What dot?
The red dot.
It's just like the record thing, yeah.
No, but I'm saying when you play it, will it be on my face?
No.
Okay.
Because it's just the record.
I want to give a shout out to Frankie and Zay. We miss you. We love you.
Frozen is probably better because it'll give you that more slushy feeling.
Yeah.
Feeling. It'll give you that slush.
Secret ingredient.
Oh, almost forgot. Wish we did.